Hi Knotties, this is Queen Knotti coming to you with a box of crayons palettes. Yes, the colors in here are very pretty. They're vibrant, as you can see. I'm going to show you the colors that come in this palette, the box of crayons. Very pretty, vibrant colors. We have blue, we have green, we have red, we have the yellow, black, brown. On this row we have a metallic orange, metallic violet. Also the light blue has a metallic, a shimmer to it. And the purple is a deep vibrant purple. This one here is the violet shade, and this is the purple. This is the pink, and this is tan. Now this particular color here, Knotties, is very important. I'm glad that they have a tan, because when transitioning colors on your eyelid, you need something in between so that you don't have just a line of demarcation if you're not trying to achieve a stripe pattern. If you're going into transitioning colors, blending, this is a neutral color is always important for transitioning colors on your eyes. And this color here's a magenta, white, silver, gold metallic, silver metallic, gold metallic. This one here is a deep plum, and this one here is a lime green. Overall, I'm very pleased with the palette. Mirror, comes with a mirror, and on the hard packaging, which is nice. The textures of the shadows are a little smooth. They're like a suede texture to them. They're very, very smooth. They're soft. They're not too powdery. I guess when you get into the matte shades, they're a little powdery. But for the most part of it, the colors are very, very smooth. And they glide on very easily. I haven't had them on long enough to see if they smudge or how long it's going to stay on. I'll let you know, come on again. But as far as the main thing is to remember is that you have to build with this palette, you have to build those color up to the intensity that you want. If you want it kind of like really kind of faded or so, if you want those colors to pop, you have to keep going in and applying and blending. So a rule of thumb is just blend, 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 dab, blend, constantly build up the colors, because if you just use one application, it may not give you the intensity that you want. The colors, you want the colors, they're vibrant, you want them to pop. So it doesn't mean that you have to put so much primer on your eyelids. You put enough on, but you don't want to overdo it. But this is an excellent product. I enjoy using it, and I'll let you know as far as how long, you know, it lasts on the humid days. But now I'm going to show you the colors that I use. I went in the corner of my eyes with this yellow here, and you can see the yellow is a light yellow. So what I went in here, and I'm just kind of like try to like pack that color in here. And if you notice on my eyelid, I'm creating a fire transition here, because if you just go in and you just going straight up vertically, you're just going to get straight up in line. So you want to see your shadows, your colors, your vibrant color transition into the next color, into the next color. So when you go in and you tap, I usually blow out any fallouts that I may have, and I just go in here, and I'm going to go in on my other eye here, and I'm going to close it a little bit just to show you. There. So you have the yellow, and I'm going to go in with this, I kind of mixed them up, but I went in with this red, and I like the magenta. So I went in and I'm just going to, so that you can see how it's like really popping. I'm going to close my eyes here. What I'm going to do, because I don't want a harsh line of between the yellow and the magenta color, so I'm just going to go in, and this is a pretty color here. So I'm going to take my other brush here, soft tip brush. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to just go in here gently like a windshield, really soft. And it's all in the way that you hold your brush, what pressure you apply on your brush on your colors. If you go in real harsh, you know, you want to just soft. You want to take your time with this, because these are bright colors, so you really want to take your time. And you just building up in right here, and you can see where you get that pretty much fire look, where it exchanges, where you wouldn't get just a line going vertically. So this is here, you can see where the colors is just intensifying. So there you go, you can see where it's building up. Now this, I'm going to go in and this purple here is very pretty. Go in with the purple, show you, hope my camera's picking up the color here. But I'm going to go in with this purple. And again, it has a little metallic. You always want to put your darker colors on the corner of your eyes so that the middle part of your shades, your shadows, will pop. So you know, you have to be very careful. We want it to be as neat as possible. So I just go in with just a little dab of the blue here, was actually this royal blue here. And it's just taking your time. Here, just add a little more here. And a little more here. Like I said, let me just try this green. This green is really pretty. They thought of everything. They thought they got into the primary colors, and they started going into secondary colors. They mixed it, they knew that you needed a little silver and gold color, which is nice if you want to place them in the corners of your eye. But I'm just going to go in just a little bit, and remember, applying pressure to your brush determines of how much product you're going to have on your eyelid. So it's best to go in really light, build up your color slowly, then you can gradually see. So I'm just going to go in just a little bit of green here. Yeah, so there you have it. Now what I'm going to do, I had a little fallout knotties on the on this lash, so I'm going to take my little eyeliner here and thin brush, just thin brush here, and I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to go over my lash line here just a little bit, just so that any fallouts from the eyeshadow, you can see my liner a little better. Now I'm going on this side here, and I'm going to just go over wherever the product fell here. My earrings of today have all the colors that I have on my eyes from the Box of Crayons, and these are my little jump hoops with the little wooden beads on them, triangular shape. And yes, these are my earrings of the day. Check them out, Knotty. I have pink, blue, green, yellow, purple, yeah, and black. So yes. So this is my product review on the Box of Crayons. Thank you for tuning in. This is Queen Knotty coming at you with another quick product review. Don't forget to hit that button and subscribe, and leave me a comment below, and don't forget to share. This is Queen Knotty coming at you with another product review. See you later, Knotties. Bye bye.